Hi guys, you're welcome again. If this is your first time of stopping by, thank you. And to my returning viewers, I love you all amazingly. So in today's video, I want to show us how to use this extruder machine. The first time I bought this machine, I couldn't use it. I was running around looking for the exact tutorial to it and I couldn't find much, but I was able to, find my way around it. That is why I'm making this video now, to show us a comprehensive video on how you can use it to get your different fondant shape and patterns that you want. So what you need is the machine, the extruder tools or machine, I think is a tool, and then you need your fondant. You also need your either white shortening or your corn flour. Now why I using the shortening is so that it will not stick inside, almost the same reason too with the corn flour. So this is how it comes. It has different tools, it has different nozzle. You have the star shape, you have the indomie shape, you have the very tiny one, different shapes. I think this is about 20 pieces of different design that you can get with it. Now why people use this thing is because it will give you the exact shape that you want. You cannot use your hands to get it. So this is how you do it. You take it and take any of the shape, put it under it, and then screw it to tight. Now this handle, before you put inside, you are going to turn it. Yes, the way I'm turning it now, you are opening it so that you can create space for the fondant to enter. If you do not turn it to the end, you are going to put just a little fondant and it might not give you, the kind of quantity that you want. So what you do is that you turn it to the end and then put the fondant that you want. Now when you want to do the fondant, see the way I'm rolling it, you have to roll it very well, roll it, let it be tiny. Yes, then push it inside. Before you push it inside, you are going to apply corn flour. Either you apply corn flour inside the extruder machine, or you put the fondant inside the corn flour, or you do the both. Yes, also don't forget to add CMC to your fondant that you are using, but let your fondant not to be too strong and let it not be too soft. If it is too strong, you might end up disfiguring the pattern shape because you'll be pressing so hard. And if it is too soft, when it comes outside, everything might just stick together. You'll not be able to separate it. So now we have put the fondant inside. You're going to see the way we are doing it now. You see that how I'm turning it. You just wind it the other way. Wind, and the pattern will start coming out. Now this particular one now is the pattern they use. Maybe you want to do indomie cake, you want to do for pasta, for spaghetti. Yes, if you want to use your hand to roll this pattern, you might not get this exact design. So that is why it is good to use this extruder. It will give you a perfect shape. So now see, we're having indomie. If you use indomie color for this thing now, trust me, you're going to have the perfect indomie design. Like you think it is indomie. Let me see if I can put the picture I used for it, the indomie cake I made with this extruder machine, and how it comes out perfectly. So basically this is how you do it. I was just trying to play out on some of the other pattern that is there. So thank you so much guys for watching. If you have watched up to this moment, you have not subscribed, please kindly subscribe to my channel, support me, drop a positive comment or any kind of comment that you feel like dropping. I will really appreciate. So basically you do it the same way. I was just trying to show you all that there are other types of shapes that are here, plenty shapes. So let's just watch the other few shapes that I showed us. It's just the same thing. So thank you so much. See you on my next video. I'm going to allow music to play now while we watch the rest shape. Thank you.